Hello darlings, for today's video, I'll be creating a neutral cut crease look featuring RealHer makeup. First, I'm starting off by filling in my brows with the new Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen in the shade Ash Brown by NYX Cosmetics. This creates very fine hair-like strokes. Next, I'm cleaning up the lower edge of the brow with the Plouise base and the Acid Rain brush. Now that I have a nice shape, I'm setting the hairs in place with the NYX Brow Glue and applying the Plouise base all over my eyelids in preparation for eyeshadow. Today I'm using the RealHer Dream So Big eyeshadow palette, and I'm first dipping into this brown shade called Imagine. I'm applying this to my crease so that it goes from the inner part of the eye, where the brow begins, flows through the crease, and flicks upwards a bit towards the tail of the brow. Essentially, I'm mapping out the cut crease shape to make my job easier when it is time to cut the crease. To blend that out, I'm sweeping on this lighter terracotta shade called Inspire along the upper edge of what we just applied using the MORPHE M562 brush. To blend everything even further, I'm taking a clean MORPHE M506 brush and sweeping this back and forth along the upper edge of the shade we just applied. Now that I'm done blending, it's time to cut the crease. I'm using the MORPHE JH42 brush and Plouise base to create a full cut crease by applying the product at the inner corner of the eye, rounding it upwards through the crease, and dragging it out towards my temple. Once I've achieved a sharp cut, I'm setting that blank space with the matte cream shade called Envision from the Dream So Big eyeshadow palette. Now I'm applying some winged eyeliner using the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black, which is my favorite liquid eyeliner. I'm flicking the wing out in the same direction as the cut crease and cleaning up the bottom edge with the Plouise base. Your game, but I'm not the one to sit around and be played. If you come around just to play me, don't bother, 'cause you ain't. Next, I'm applying the Epic Wear Liner in white by NYX along the edge of the cut in the crease. Now I'm applying the Duo 2-in-1 Lash Adhesive right beneath the white liner, which I'm using to adhere some chunky glitter. This is the Sheglam Stay Wild Jelly Glitter in Icy, which is a white opal glitter with small moons and stars. Moving on to face makeup, I'm priming with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Primer. For foundation, I'm using the Pretty Fresh foundation in the shade Fair 20 In. This was my first time using the primer and foundation, and I'm loving the both of them. They're so hydrating and the foundation seems to match me perfectly. For concealer, I'm using the Pretty Fresh concealer in the shade Fair 10 In, which I'm applying underneath my eyes as well as to the center of my face. After blending that in with a damp sponge, I'm setting underneath my eyes with the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Now to contour, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, which still remains one of my favorite products for contouring. I'm mixing all three of the deep shades to add definition to the hollows of my cheeks, around my hairline, and along the edge of my jaw. I'm also using it to contour my nose.
I wish that you would come and give me something to prove. Won't you pull me closer? I think that I'm obsessed with everything that you do. I'm away.
For highlighter, I'm using the RealHer Confidence in My Glow highlighter. This is more of a natural highlighter and it looks really beautiful on the skin.
Yeah. I probably shouldn't say this. I probably should erase it.
For blush, I'm applying the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Rose, and then I'm setting everything in place with the Catrice Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. Back to my eyes now, I'm applying shadow to my lower lash line to match what I did in my crease. First, I'm applying the shade called Imagine, then I'm blending that out with the shade called Inspire. Next, I'm picking up the shimmery shade called Dream from that same Dream So Big eyeshadow palette and applying that to the inner corner of my eyes. Next, I'm curling my lashes and then I'm applying the new Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensational Mascara, which I really like. In my opinion, it's very similar to the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara, which is one of my favorites at the moment. After applying the Ace Beaut lashes in the style Dreamer, I'm tightlining with the Note Intense Look Eye Pencil, adding the automatic highlighter pencil to my waterline, and applying mascara to my bottom lashes.
I probably shouldn't say this.
Finally, for lips, I'm using the RealHer Take on the World Lip Kit. First, I'm lining my lips with the I Am Confident lip liner, then I'm applying the I Am Enough liquid lipstick, and for the center of the lips, I'm adding a little bit of the I Am Radiant lip gloss. And that completes this look. Let me know if you've tried RealHer makeup in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!